UNAIDS is in the business of saving lives. At UNAIDS, our mission to end the AIDS epidemic drives us to collaborate with entities like Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association to address misconception about HIV and end HIV-related discrimination in the manufacturing sector. This is a practical effort to achieve zero new infections, zero AIDS-related deaths, and zero discrimination. The Beyond Labels initiative is crucial because the manufacturing sector is a vital part of Jamaica's economy, and discrimination can profoundly impact the lives of workers. By partnering with JMEA, we are breaking down barriers and dismantling misconceptions about HIV and sharing accurate information about HIV and promoting and respecting human rights and dignity and love for people. Why the manufacturing sector? It employs a large, diverse workforce that can help reduce barriers to inclusivity and equity in our society. That is why the activities are designed to educate and empower employees and employers, fostering workplace culture that supports everyone's right to a safe and respectful environment and to promote health and well-being of the workforce. Our partnership with PEPFAR, CDC, JMEA shows how we can work together impactfully and to have a transformational change. Together, we are creating a future where the manufacturing sector leads by example, showcasing how businesses can be powerful allies to reduce discrimination against persons living with HIV. Join us as we continue this important work, as we believe that together we can end the AIDS epidemic, one workplace at a time.